Demonstrate how to use the Venturi vac system to be able to facilitate loading your bobtail at your bulk plant in the event that electricity is out and you cannot use your pump to load. So the first thing you would do is come to the back of your bobtail, take your vapor cap off, take your liquid cap off, put a 3 1/4 by 1 3/4 reducing cap on there. You can go ahead and place the Venturi vac apparatus onto your truck. You will need to use vapor equalization for this process. So you come over here, take your vapor hose, go ahead and hook that up to your bobtail. That like so. And then the next thing you want to do is take your delivery hose nozzle in, place that onto the male acme on the long or the run section of the T on the Venturi vac, like so. Come over to your loading rack this time. You want to take your typical, what you typically connect to the truck. You need a 3 1/4 by 1 3/4 adapter piece to go on there, and then that in turn becomes your liquid hose. We're going to go ahead and connect this liquid supply line from the bulk plant over onto the Venturi vac. When you're using the Venturi vac system, I would say you'll need at least 10 to 20% on your bobtail. You do need liquid. You need a pumpable amount of liquid in the truck. You're going to want to have your belly valve open, and you'll be recirculating gas. So you need that 10 to 20% in there to create an adequate volume of flow. But you will definitely need a volume of gas in there to go through the pump, go through the hose reel, and constantly keep the Venturi effect going to keep the lower pressure drop in the T and the Venturi vac for the system to work properly and to be able to get liquid out of your bulk storage tank. And come over to your bulk plant. This bulk plant has a meter in place that they typically load through, so you will need to use a manual bypass, and for this type of application, open that valve, and that will allow liquid flow to be going to the truck. A meter will impede that flow, so you have to find a way to bypass the meter. So with everything hooked up, then you would come over here to your rack, open your vapor valve, open your liquid valve, pressurize your lines, come over here to your truck, and you can go ahead and open your vapor on your truck, vapor on your hose end. With those two open, that will allow vapor to equalize between the two tanks. Then you can go ahead and open this liquid valve, which will charge the Venturi vac and charge the system back through here as well. You can go ahead and start your bobtail, engage the PTO. Make sure, do one more check to make sure the valves to the rack are open, the valves in the truck are open. Your hose end nozzle valve should be the last thing. And then once your bobtail is running, the PTO is engaged, you slowly open your nozzle, hose end nozzle, and establish liquid flow to basically be recirculating from your bobtail pump back into the tank, which will create that Venturi effect and lower the pressure inside the T and allow liquid to start to flow from your bulk storage tank. So thank you very much.